So everybody, this is technically a reshoot of my video from last night that did not turn out. Look at that moon. So we are in the Creston neighborhood, which is just north of Grand Rapids. Just across the street here, you see Kent Country Club. I believe I have that correct. It's a golf course and private club. We're just walking past Lucy's kitchen here in aisle 9. It's a bakery, bar, and an event venue. We got quite a bit of snowfall over the past 48 hours or so. I would say we've got that's all fairly recent. I would say in some spots it's a good 6 to 10 inches. It was blowing pretty bad, so those could have been drifts where I've been seeing that. Just coming past as we head to the south here, City High Middle School. And I think what the plan tonight will be to walk up the hill to the east and see if we can get a good shot of the city. Have to commend everybody for shoveling all this snowfall out of the way. These sidewalks are got a little on them, and they're definitely not salted down to sidewalk or anything, but at least I'm not trudging through snow. Talk much on this one, guys. I'm kind of exhausted.